Hey everyone! Today, we're diving deep into a product that often gets overlooked for achieving that coveted radiant glow, powder foundation. Many of us associate powder with a matte finish, but I'm here to show you how it can be your secret weapon for luminous, healthy-looking skin. Get ready to transform your makeup routine. Forget everything you thought you knew about powder foundation. Modern formulations are incredibly sophisticated, designed to blur imperfections while allowing your natural luminosity to shine through. They can offer buildable coverage without ever feeling heavy or cakey on the skin. This makes them perfect for achieving a fresh, vibrant complexion. Powder foundations are fantastic for absorbing excess oil in the T-zone while still providing a soft, diffused glow elsewhere. They often contain light-reflecting particles that subtly catch the light, giving your skin a beautiful, natural radiance. It's all about choosing the right product and applying it correctly. The key to radiant skin with powder foundation lies in your application technique. For a sheer, luminous veil, use a large, fluffy brush and lightly buff the product onto your skin in circular motions. This method ensures an even distribution and a soft focus finish. Remember, less is often more to start. For areas needing more coverage, gently press the powder onto the skin using a denser brush or a sponge. This builds up the product without creating a heavy look. You can even lightly mist your brush with a setting spray before picking up the powder for an even more seamless, skin-like finish. This technique helps the powder melt into your skin. Don't be afraid to layer. Apply a thin layer of powder foundation, then go back and add a touch more to areas where you want extra radiance, like the high points of your cheeks. This strategic placement enhances your natural bone structure. A light hand is crucial for maintaining that fresh, radiant appearance. When selecting a powder foundation for radiance, look for terms like luminous, satin, or natural finish on the packaging. These formulas are typically finely milled and designed to reflect light rather than absorb it. Always swatch shades on your jawline in natural light to find your perfect match. Consider your skin type as well. If you have drier skin, opt for formulas that feel silky and don't emphasize texture. Oily skin types will appreciate the oil-absorbing properties while still achieving a healthy glow. The right formula will enhance your skin, not mask it. To ensure your radiant powder foundation look lasts all day, start with a well-hydrated and primed base. A luminous primer can further enhance the glow from underneath. Finish your routine with a hydrating setting spray to melt all the layers together and boost that dewy finish. Touch-ups throughout the day can be done sparingly, focusing only on areas that might need a little refresh. A light dusting is all it takes to revive your radiant complexion. This approach keeps your skin looking fresh and vibrant from morning to night. Powder foundation is truly a versatile product that can deliver stunning radiant results. Experiment with different application methods and formulas to discover what works best for your skin. Embrace the glow and let your natural beauty shine through. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful info.